Hi there, welcome to the channel. We are at Slickrock, where are we? Slickrock Bike Trail in Moab, Utah. I'm Geek, this is Geek Wife. Geek Wife would like to tell you how she feels before, and then right after we'll put in the video, we'll put the after. So go ahead.
I'm gonna throw up because I'm really nervous.
Is that it? I feel good, I'm excited. We drove how many hours to get here? We went through a lot of sightseeing stuff. This is why we came here though. So it's gonna be great. There's a bunch of hippies here. Seths Bikes Hacks, you made me come here. I hope you like it. We're gonna record us being crazy on our bicycles now. So stay tuned. This was a lot of fun. Here you can see Geek Wife walking down a steep hill. That white line right there is what they expect you to follow. And I'm telling you, this camera does not do this justice. This is very steep and very unforgiving. So a lot of points for Geek Wife as she continues up this hill as I follow up behind her. So we turn the corner right here, and I look up this gigantically steep hill that Geek Wife's just gone up, and I'm thinking, you want me to pedal up this thing? Where's the elevator? This is ridiculous. Don't worry, she survived the fall and was completely fine, and actually soon after this we decided to turn around. It was just a little too dangerous for us, but we had a good time. Alright, as promised, we're back from the super easy Slickrock beginner trail, whatever that was called. Practice loop. Let me tell you something. If you, I'm riding a lot of dirt tracks lately, and I'm 40-ish years old, and I think I'm pretty decent going off some scary jumps that a 20-year-old would do. Coming here, I was petrified. Get it? It's hard, solid rock. You fall, you're dead. Fall in the dirt, you get a little scratched up. You fall here, you're gonna get serious road rash, like falling on sandpaper. Now, I wanted to do it. I call it a win. We did it. Wife was amazing. I mean, she never does the hard stuff even where we live. And this was way harder than that. Just the huge inclines and descents and huge bumps and dips, and it's not easy. So here's my recommendation for Slickrock. If you're overweight and you're over 40, even if you're riding bikes a lot, this ain't for you. If you're a crazy 20-year-old or 18-year-old or whatever, yeah, you'll have a lot of fun. Just be prepared to skin your knees if you crash. And if you fell down the side of the hill, you can really hurt yourself. It's got some steep cliffs, but again, pretty awesome. Comments, wife?
It was fun, but alltrails.com, you probably need to fix it so it does not say easy beginner level, because it is definitely not easy beginner level.